back at the house.
Should have put my goggles on first. Oh, shit. I mean, crap. Hopefully I don't slow everybody down. But I had a few practice runs, so I'm a little more confident. I already wiped out once. So at this point, who even cares?
Yeah, just gotta be careful because your seat.
Yeah, my seat is missing a bolt. So it'll fall off. Some of the jumps, well, this track's a lot nicer than some of the ones I've been to. I've noticed there's a few things I gotta keep a mental note on so I don't crash again. This is officially my third track day. Track day. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, 16.9, so 17 hours. That's my total ride time period. That's all I've ever rode. This is my first bike. So this is all a learning curve for me. The hell was that? Okay, that went way worse than my last lap. That was terrible.
What happened over there?
Oh, I fell. I got caught up in a rut and just flipped off the bike. Especially when I turn, when I go to hit the ruts, like I don't know how to stay in control of the bike, because it'll hit the rut and it just feels like the bike's gonna just fall out from under me. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I need more practice. Whew. Can you slide that out a little bit? Oh, look, I ripped my glove.
Where do you want it? Right here?
Yeah, turn it. Perfect. Dude, what?
He scares me sometimes.
Hey, you want to keep riding or are you good?
Huh?
You want to keep riding a little more or are you good?
I want to ride it.
Okay. Did you see me hit some of them? Ready? Boom, 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 boom. Boop. Alright. This is probably the last GoPro footage I'll have. Sun's starting to set. Beat myself up. Here we go, one last lap. Well, I'll probably get a couple in. don't even think the GoPro will do justice because landed a little hard on that one. That scares me. Should be able to clear this, but that one sketches me out a little bit. Cut that out. What time is it?
7:30.
Oh, okay.
I got a hole in my gas tank. At least I didn't. It's like right here, but I only filled it up here, so we're good.
Oh man.
Oh, I should put my goggles on first.
Should've. I'm just going back and forth between my phone and the camera.
That's angled right. Okay.
Okay, you gonna go hit a few jumps?
Yep, I'm gonna go embarrass myself again.
Okay.
Fall over a few times. No big deal.
I'll be waiting. I'm gonna record.
That's how it goes. You gotta learn somehow.
Okay.
I might get the GoPro.
You should.
I wonder if it'll look good with the chest mount.
I think so.
I feel like it would. It'd probably get a good shot of me wiping out too. Now my handlebars are all slick. I'm not jealous of the four-wheeler guys. The dirt is so slippery. It's crazy. It's ridiculous.
I'm just zooming in and out.
I was not ready for that. 50, it might fall over. I hurt my wrist a little bit when I fell. I'm probably covered in mud. I probably got mud all over me.
Yeah. And on the side, your helmet is like,
Oh, really?
well, on one part, yeah. On the other side.
Oh, damn.
And then your boots.
Yeah, like, look at all the mud.
I know. Were you wiped out?
Bad?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hit. There was a turn right there. The dirt is so slippery. It's all muddy almost. I hit that turn, and the front end the tire just turned and it just kept going straight, right?
Yeah.
And then I hit the wall and just flipped over. And then the bike landed on top of me. And it happened right over there in front of all those people. So embarrassing. That could be me. See that?
Yeah, I recorded it.
You get that jump? That's my first big jump.
Did you get, was your GoPro recording?
Oh, yeah, it was.
Okay. I was about to say.
Yeah, that's awesome. I hope it got good footage. Oh, that sucked. Ready? Give it a little rev. Oh yeah. Alright, gloves on, ready to go.
Yeah, we should have brought the GoPro.
Yeah, we should have. You don't have a mount on your helmet though.
I can use yours.
I got extra ones. Just barely any gas. Just get a feel for it. Don't full throttle yet. Just get a feel for it. Go slow. Yeah, see, it's not bad, it's easy. Yeah, don't worry. You don't have to go super fast. That is awesome.
Okay guys, here he comes.
Yeah, you're ready to go to the track. You're like, you're doing awesome. Honestly, the blue with the orange actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a lot easier to ride than I thought.
Yeah, that's exactly. It's not as bad as you think. Now the clutch, it's a little more trickier. There's a little more to it,
I have
but
to get used to the brake being right there where my foot is.
yeah.
I want
you can start using that. I would just be really cautious of how hard you press it.